Right now we'll make a quick unboxing of Redmi A5. So let's take a look at the box, and on the sides of the box we can find an information about the processor, about the biometrics that we can basically unlock the phone with the fingerprint or the face unlock. On the other side we can find the information about the battery and the display. On this side right here we can find information about the package contents and some other stuff, and also right here we have the icon which tells us that there is no charging adapter included, and also there's another icon which tells us that it is recommended to use from 5 to 15 watts charging adapter. And on the other side right here we can find the information about the model of the phone, the color, RAM and ROM storage, and also we can find two IMEI numbers which tells us that this phone does have two SIM slots and does support two SIM cards right here. And yeah, on the bottom of this box there is nothing, so that will be all about the box. Let's open this one up, and right here below this paper here we could find the phone, but I already took it out, so let me quickly show you the phone itself. It comes in this protective paper like this, and here we can also find some information about the phone, the same ones that we can find on the box. And here is our phone, and as you can see this screen right here, as we take a look, we cannot actually find anything like a screen protector right here. I can't see anything like that, so this means that there is apparently no protective foil or anything, so it is recommended to buy yourself some. On the left side of the phone right here we can find the SIM tray. On the top here we can find probably microphone for the camera, I believe, I'm not sure though. On the right side of the phone here we can find three buttons, the volume buttons and the power button, and on the bottom right here we can find the microphone, Type-C connector for charging and other stuff, and the headphone jack, 3.5mm headphone jack right here. So that is very nice. And also on the back of the phone right here we can find two cameras, the flashlight, and here we can see that this phone has the glass back actually, and has pretty nice and interesting design. As you can see, it has this nice gradient right here on the back and some glitter, something like this. It looks like a glitter. So yeah, that would be it about the phone itself. Let me put this one aside and let's take a look at the contents of the box. So let's open this one up, and as we take with this this cardboard out of the box, here at the back we can find the SIM pin, the tool to eject the SIM tray, and also right here what we can find is the charging cable. It is the Type-C and USB-A cable, as you can see. So yeah, let's put this one aside, and here the last thing that we can find right here are the quick start and warranty card and some safety informations for the phone. And right here we can also see the layout of the SIM tray. As you can see, we can have two SIM cards and the micro SD card at the same time right here, and this also shows us that basically you can use the micro SD card, the memory card, for your phone right here. So that is very nice. And yeah, that will be all actually about the unboxing of this Redmi A5. Thank you for watching, and if you're looking for more information about the Redmi A5, please take a look at my channel.